Today, we celebrate not just 14 years of TPC, but 14 years of dreams, hard work, sacrifices, friendships, challenges, and victories that brought us to where we are today. Congratulations to the entire TPC family, to our members, leaders, employees, partners, and everyone who has been part of the incredible journey. This milestone belongs to all of us. 14 years is a testament to what we can achieve when we believe in one another and continue moving forward together. More than the business, TPC has always been about people. I am deeply grateful for the trust, loyalty, and commitment that each of you has given through the years. There were moments when things were difficult, but you stayed. There were challenges that tested us, but we stood together. And every success we achieved was made more meaningful because we achieved it as one TPC family. As we look ahead, let us be excited about what the future holds. Our journey is far from over. There are new opportunities to explore, new innovations to embrace, and bigger dreams to pursue. Let us continue to improve, adapt, and serve our members even better. The best chapter of TPC may still be ahead of us. So once again, congratulations TPC on 14 amazing years. May we continue to grow stronger, wiser, and more united in the years to come. To everyone who has been part of our journey, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Your trust and support inspire us to keep going. Happy 14th anniversary, TPC. Cheers to 14 years of success and to many more years of dreams, opportunities, and victories together. Enjoy the celebration, everyone. This is our moment. This is our TPC family. Muli po, maraming salamat at mabuhay sa TPC.